Greetings people, I am the Gundam Angel, this is my channel, and today I'm making an unboxing video of this iPhone 5S. Wow. After waiting way too long in line for my new iPhone, it's time to replace this good oldie, my iPhone 4, with my new one. But you don't want to hear any of that, just want to see the unboxing, so let's just get to business. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my unboxing video. Main event. What the hell, let's just get started. First off, we'll take off the foil, because you never know. Oh boy. There we go, just nice and easy. Let's make a little cut here, make it a whole lot easier. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, Moment Supreme. Big moment. Let's see if we can lift it out. Voila. The new iPhone 5S. Space Gray Edition. Man, that thing really feels light. Doesn't weigh anything. If I compare it to my old iPhone, this is the original iPhone, and yes, this back is not original, but it doesn't matter. It's not that heavy. It's a little lighter. As you can see, it's bigger, taller at least, and thinner. And this one is 40 times faster than this one. But this is old school, classic, so it will never die. But putting that aside, let's see what else is in the box. Of course, our earpods. Well, when I first got my first iPhones, you get these headsets that were just surrounded by little foil, but these actually come in a nice handy case with, obviously, Apple logo. Well, charger. I'm still using charger of my old iPhone, since my iPhone 4 charger is from the UK and I'm from the Netherlands, so it won't work here. So that's handy. And of course, lightning connector. My first device on a lightning connector. Exciting. Well, let's just get the box out of the way. Let's see what's in here. SIM card tray tool to get it open, and it's actually kind of an envelope this time. Doesn't open all the way around. Stickers, very important. Always get the stickers. Well, let's see, it's in German. It's a German iPhone, so well, the buttons are. Hey, you even got a Dutch one in it. There's some information about the iPhone. Guarantees and stuff. That's it. That's the only things are in the box. The only one that's left is prying this one off. Look at that. What a gorgeous screen or what? Of course, the back side. It is beautiful. No matter how you look at it, this is one beautiful iPhone. I'm afraid that's it. That's all in the box. All that remains is, just activate it, put my backups back on this phone for my old iPhone. So I'll be showing you that later on in the video. Moving on. And that concludes my unboxing video of my new iPhone 5S. Please hit subscribe over there. Please leave a comment below. Are you upgrading to a new iPhone? Why not? And are you upgrading to iOS 7 on your current iPhone? Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, perhaps you can watch my other video, my unboxing of my new MacBook Pro with Retina display, or my new EOS 5D Mark III, also unboxing video over there. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.